Hi, I'm Dr. Vstrom, and today's upgrade is a set of side pad protectors. Protectors I would call them because they offer additional protection for your motorcycle engine and fuel tank bars. So they get installed on top of them and they absorb or they take the first impact. And so because they are easily replaced, you don't get to damage the bars, you don't get to scratch or bend the bars. The reason that I have decided to buy these is because at some point I went off-road. Yes, the RE can go also off-road, and at some point there were some trees and some branches, and the right hand side fuel tank guard did its job and protected the plastics from one of the branches, but there is a small scratch. Here is a closer view of the scratch from the impact, and despite the impact most of the color is still there, and that's maybe another proof of the good quality of these bars. And we are going to correct this on another video which will be available up here, and so I decided to install these to protect even the bars from the impacts. These particular ones are made from the same brand that I bought the fuel tank guards and engine guards, so Hepco and Becker. It's good quality plastic, it has a universal fit, it fits bars of size 22 and 25 millimeters, and you can easily install it with 4 screws, and that's what we're going to see up next. And with the side pad set we will be adding approximately 93 grams, give or take. There are 4 screws that you need to remove. Now I want you to pay attention because I have already mentioned that these side pads are compatible only with 22 and 25 millimeters of bars when you install them. And the way that they do this is because, if you can see, there are inner cells inside here. So for instance, if you want to install for 22 millimeters bars, you install them as they are, but if you want larger diameter bars, so 25 millimeters, then you need to remove these inner cells. So take a normal screwdriver and remove the inner cell. You see? That's a clever way actually. And now your diameter is ready for 25 millimeter bars. Let's install them. In this video we will be installing side pad protectors to forbid this from happening again. That means to protect your guard bars from scratching, from having scratches from impacts. And on your screen there's a video right now that demonstrates how to correct these scratches if they happen. Let's install these heavy duty, shock absorbing, quick assembly side pads. An optional part for their installation is to take an inner tube for a bicycle like this one. They're very cheap. Cut 2 pieces that they fit inside the side pad, like so. You see, something like this. Then we will cut the top side so that it opens and we can insert it in the tube. And as you can see, this is how we're going to install it. On top of this rubber we will install the side pads, and this is an optional step just for you to feel more relaxed about any noises or even scratching the bar. Remove the screws, the 4 screws. Optionally, if you want, insert your rubber or not, insert the back side, insert the front side, loosely tight only 2 of the screws because we want to move it around so that we align it from either side. You align it and center it where you want it. Now you can move it and you can measure and find where you want to install it permanently. So you will take your tape measure, you will measure how you want, and then you will center it, and then you will put also all the bolts and tighten them. So now we will install the other 2 screws. Job done. And now this side pad will protect future scratches from the fuel tank guard, and you can install these in other guards or other parts as you wish. So repeating from the other side, optionally insert your rubber from the bicycle tube, install the first 2 diagonal. Here is a hack and a nice way to optionally best align. Take an Allen key, put it where the side plastic ends, put it on top of the bar, and then bring the side pad back to touch the Allen key from both sides, and then more or less you are centered and on the same location from either side. Thanks for watching another one of my high quality videos with high detail. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe.